Hello there. Let's go take a look at this 2-bedroom plus den, apartment 242. This home is available for move-in this April. Give us a call in the office to see anything about specials and availability and pricing. So we just walked into the apartment. Right here at the front of the apartment is a den with a large closet. There's heat in here, so you can use this as a little home office. This apartment is about the size of a 3-bedroom because of the den. And here's our large kitchen. Lots of workable space, lots of cabinetry to keep all your appliances and cookware, and lots of counter space. This is a dream kitchen for someone that likes to cook. And then you're gonna have this big bar space. You can put plenty of bar stools. And right across from this kitchen, you have this big pantry. And you see we have all stainless steel appliances, 2 sinks, got a garbage disposal. My favorite feature here in the kitchen is the ice maker and the freezer. And then you have a laundry room right off the kitchen. And in here in this laundry room, again, lots more storage. Front loading machines. And of course, it has the laundry door so you can keep this closed. What's great is the kitchen is open to the living space, so you can stay connected to your friends and family while you prepare dinner. Big dining space, large living room with big window. This apartment is facing east. We'll get great morning light. Right here to our right, we have the master. Room is 11 by 11. You could fit a California king, 2 nightstands, and a dresser in here very comfortably. This one's looking out to our sky deck, which is 8,000 square feet. There's picnic tables out there, barbecues, and fire pits. We have covered parking. Big walk-in closet. And your private bath, which has a linen closet. Lots of counter space. Lots of storage again. And across the apartment, let's turn on these lights here. It's the second room, which is practically the same size as the master. They're only a few inches different, so it could be a great even split. Both housemates will have the same amount of space, the same amount of storage. Also has a walk-in closet. And then again, second bath with a lot of counter space and a lot of storage. This is big cabinets here. apartment is 1,248 square feet. You'll be very comfortable here. Our phone number for platform 14 will be in the description. Give us a call for some more information. Thank you for touring with us today. Bye-bye.